Hello everyone, today I want to show you tips to avoid mess in bullet journals, especially if you paint with pencils. So to avoid mess and to make your work clear, there are some tips.
So here you can see this piece of catwork going here. So there are like a couple tips what you can do to avoid these shadows on your pictures. So I simply use erase. I take this one because it doesn't make any mess. I bought this one in Blick also. It was around 50 cents, but works perfectly like the brand one. So it's very simply, see, you can remove it like super simply, and there is no shade. And in other case, if you have like very big artwork and you want to protect it, so there is like parchment sheets. They sell, I think you can find them on Amazon. I just simply took, my daughter, she got a book of Harry Potter and these sheets were between them, so I simply took them. So you can put them and they will protect your art. It will not go through and everything will look perfectly.